Last period we have seen asexual reproduction in lower organism, that is their types. What are the types? We have already seen. First, fragmentation. Second, budding. Third, spore formation. Spore formation, which is mostly found in the fungi variety. Example, penicillium. Penicillium is a fungi which are reproduced asexually with the help of formation of spores. Then another best example, that is Rhizopus. This is now the example of fungi which are produced themselves through the formation of spores. Now this is how the types of the asexual reproduction. Beside this, there are again extra types of, that is binary fission, which is found in unicellular organism, with the best example amoeba. Amoeba which are divide equally, or the amoeba parental cell divide equally to give rise the two daughter amoeba, and that is known as the binary fission. Binary fission means this is how the amoeba cell, which is of irregular shape with central arrangement of nucleus. This is how the cytoplasm, and this is the plasma membrane. Now this amoeba undergoing the division with the activity of plasma membrane. This plasma membrane which are showing the deeper or depression at the center of what? Cell, and this depression is called the fissure, and this fissure finally get joined to cut off this amoeba into two equal daughter cell, and this is how the two daughter cells are formed. Of amoeba, and this is the process which are asexually and found in the amoeba is known as binary fission, and this is how the complete, means we have completed the asexual reproduction in the lower organism. What are the types? First, fragmentation. Second, budding. Third, spore formation, and this is how the last one, binary fission, which is specially found in the amoeba. Then the next part, asexual reproduction in higher plant. In the last part we have seen the asexual reproduction in lower plant. Now the next, the reproduction, that is asexual reproduction in higher plant. But in the case of higher plant, the asexual reproduction is also known as vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction in the case of what? Higher plant. Now what is the meaning of vegetative? Vegetative means the plant, that is especially higher plant, reproduce themselves with the help of their vegetative part, and that is called the vegetative reproduction. Now what is the meaning of vegetative part? Vegetative part of the higher plant, that may be a root, stem, leaf, etc. This is all the part which are simply known as vegetative part. Through that vegetative part the plants get reproduced, is known as process vegetative reproduction. Now we are write the definition. The plant reproduce through their vegetative part. In bracket, the parts may be a root, stem, maybe leaf, known as vegetative reproduction. Now vegetative reproduction in the higher plant may be occurring in the two ways. First, it may be naturally, and second, artificially. Especially artificial vegetative reproduction is nowadays is used for getting the high yield, that is especially found in the industrial area. And this vegetative reproduction, that is especially artificial vegetative reproduction, we are going to study in deep, and their types and what is the benefit of them. Now write first artificial vegetative reproduction. आर्टिफिशियल मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात? कृत्रिम. कृत्रिम व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रजनन. या प्रजनन प्रक्रियेमध्ये कृत्रिम ही पद्धत वापरली जाते आणि ही पद्धत ही सर्वात बेनिफिशियल असते, फायदेशीर असते आपल्यासाठी. आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या किंवा वेगवेगळ्या व्हरायटीचे प्लांट्स काय मिळतात, आपल्याला मिळतात आणि उत्पन्न आपलं जास्त होतं. म्हणजे स्पेशली कुठल्या एरियाचं? इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाचं. आता जे आर्टिफिशियल व्हेजिटेटिव्ह मेथड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे टाइप्स आहेत. दॅट इज द टाइप्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल व्हेजिटेटिव्ह रिप्रोडक्शन. फर्स्ट, cutting method. Cutting is a simple method in which the cutted part of plant, that is the vegetative cutted part of plant, is to be used for the propagation or to production of plant, and this is known as the first type of artificial vegetative reproduction. Now this method is specially used or it is successful on the plant. That is the example, first China rose, which is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Second type, the second example, that is rose. This is all the types, example on which the cutting method is successful. Then second type, that is grafting. Grafting, Marathi called kalam. कलम करणे. या कलम करण्याची जी काही पद्धत आहे याच्यामध्ये दोन प्रकारचे प्लांटचे पीस घेतले जातात किंवा तुकडे घेतले जातात आणि ते तुकडे एकमेकाला जॉईन करून त्या तुकड्यांपासून एक नवीन प्लांट तयार होतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये दोन्ही प्लांटचे जे काही गुणधर्म असतात ते गुणधर्म त्या प्लांट मध्ये येतात. हा त्याचा काय बेनिफिट आहे. नाउ वी आर फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विथ द कटिंग. राइट डाउन अबाउट द कटिंग. इट इज simple method in which the cutted plant parts used. That may be of root, maybe stem, maybe leaf, and it is successful in the example. First, China rose, then simple rose, then Bryophyllum, then Champa plant. This is the plants which are to be used for artificial vegetative reproduction with the help of first technique, that is the cutting technique. Then second, grafting technique. What is the name? Meaning of it in Marathi, that is कलम. कलम मध्ये काय केलं जातं, दोन प्लांटचे एकाच प्लांटचे दोन पार्ट यूज केले जातात. नेक्स्ट type of artificial vegetative reproduction, that is grafting. In this method, the two parts of the plant are joined and they are grow as a one plant, and that is the technique called the grafting technique or type. Now write down, it is the joining of two vegetative part of plant, and they grow as a single plant. Now in this technique, the two parts, vegetative part of plant is to be used, in which the first plant part is called the scion. What is the meaning of scion? Scion is the grafted plant part. Grafted plant part which are grafted on the rooted plant part, which is known as the stalk. Now this is the stalk which is called the rooted plant part, and this is of the two plant part which are joined and they allow to grow as a one plant or the single plant. Now what is the benefit of this grafting? In this grafting technique we can get, and this is the grafting technique which are successful in the plant, that is especially mango